Hi, I'm Tanya Grant, your Okanagan real estate specialist. Are you thinking of buying a house with a septic system? I've lived in several, and I'm here to share my tips with you. Get an inspection. Before purchasing a home with a septic system, it is crucial to have a qualified inspector assess the condition of the tank, the drain field, and all other components. Determine the age of the system and request a detailed maintenance history. Knowing how well it's been maintained can provide some insight into its current condition and potential future problems. Ensure that the septic system complies with all local regulations and codes and that all the necessary permits are in place. Check to make sure the size and capacity of the septic tank meets the needs of your household. If you plan to make changes to the property, such as adding a pool or expanding the house, check whether the septic system's location and capacity can accommodate these modifications. Considering all of these factors before purchasing a home with a septic system can save you from unpleasant surprises in the future. Thanks for listening.